Okay, so we got the oven in place on top of the pedestal that it's sitting on, but it's not the right diameter. And what we're dealing with right now is the pieziolo standing right here with the oven, and this being the entrance to the kitchen. So the oven has to change its angle from here to here. In order to do that, we have got to add 10 inches to the pedestal here so we can shift this 3,200 pound monster while keeping 36 inches for ADA requirements away from the kegerator, which is supposed to sit right where I'm standing, basically right in line with the make line. So now the kegerator's not going to be here. We're changing this to the POS station /pass, and the kegerator is going to go in line as the last make line refrigeration. And we didn't find this out till just 10 minutes ago, so everybody's schedule is now going to be off about an hour and a half for the day, and this is just part of what we have to deal with in what we're going to have to deal with in every single build out, because the plans don't always indicate exactly what's happening.